Today I'm here to talk to you about why it's important that you have your rental property in an LLC. Hi, I'm Alec at the Yanowitz Law Firm, where we've been assisting families for 29 years with wills, trusts, and probate. So, your rental property, whether you have one or just a few, it's a nice passive income on the side, helps out every month, but that can bring a lot of liability into you and your family. Therefore, we recommend that you put that rental property in an LLC. It can be a simple LLC, a sole member LLC. When someone comes to us and they have rental property, we can get that LLC set up pretty quickly. We can file all the documents with the Secretary of State. We'll get a written action put together. We'll get an operating agreement. We can obtain an EIN for them to go ahead and open a bank account. All of these things are important because what it does is it allows you to have a little bit more protection. Now, there's nothing that can stop you from ever being sued. Our job as attorneys is essentially to advise you and make it essentially harder for someone to sue you to give you a little bit more protection. So it is important that even once we have this LLC set up and we convey the real estate over to the LLC then owns the property. They're the one who are on the contracts with any of your tenants. That we keep your assets, your personal assets, and those that are the LLC. We want to keep those separate. So we want to have a bank account that is just the LLC's. We don't want to commingle those finances with your own finances, because then that corporate veil can be pierced. Again, that's kind of opening you up for more liability. Again, all we're trying to do here is give you as much protection as we can. Doesn't stop you from being sued. So we have that bank account. We have everything else. We have all the contracts, all the utilities. All of that is going to be set up in the name of the LLC. Again, what that does is we're trying to build as much protection as make it as difficult for anyone to sue you as possible, because things happen. People get sued all the time over crazy things. So our advice as attorneys is anytime we're dealing with these rental properties is, one, we want to make sure that the property is not in your individual name. Let's get it over to an LLC. And a big thing is insurance. If you have an umbrella policy, that's always going to kind of be number one. We want to make sure that you have insurance, okay? Because the insurance, it's going to be there no matter what, okay? So I want to make sure that you're speaking with your insurance agent, that you have the appropriate amount of coverage. And then again, we have that LLC that is put together, and we want to make sure that your contracts. What do your contracts say? I've seen some contracts out there that don't have a whole lot about liability and protection. So that is very important with what's in the documents. So on those documents, that there's something that we can assist with. If you just want us to take a look at it, review it for you, or if you want us to start putting that contract together, that is something we can also assist with. So overall, those are some things to keep in mind if you own a rental property, whether it's one or multiple. You do want to have essentially a plan put together for how that property is handled. So that is something that we can assist with. So I'd like to thank you for joining me today with talking about rental properties. If you have any questions about these properties or the process or anything about estate planning or anything else that our law firm can assist with, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified when we post a new video. Thank you. Have a great day.